Hello everyone, Matt here. This is the first part of a 4-part tutorial series about remote workspaces in MCreator. Firstly, I'd like to familiarize you with what a remote workspace is and explain why use one. A remote workspace is primarily an online copy of your workspace, however, it allows for some interesting new ways to work on your mod as well as cooperate with other people. They are stored on a so-called Git service, which also keeps track on the project's change history, also known as commit history, allows multiple people to contribute to the same project and much more. For MCreator workspaces, it mainly acts as a backup of your local workspace, so in case anything happens to your computer, you can retrieve the entire workspace in a matter of seconds. It also allows you to share your workspace with others and enable your friends to work on the mod simultaneously. Note that only the project leader has to create a remote workspace by following the steps shown in this part of the series. Other participants simply import the remote workspace created by the leader. The exact procedure for this will be explained in the next part. Since Git also stores the entire change history, it can act as some sort of checkpoint system that allows you to revert changes in case a critical bug appears in one of them. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to create a Git repository, establish a connection to it, and create our first commit. You can use pretty much any Git service such as GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. In this tutorial, I'll use the first one. On the GitHub profile, there is the Repositories tab. Click New and write the name of your repository. This can be pretty much anything. If you make your workspace public, anyone can see its contents, but only people with permissions can commit changes to it. If you choose private, only those who can edit it can see it. Make sure you don't initialize the repository with a README since we are importing an existing workspace. Click Create Repository and copy the link to it. Open MCreator and click the Remote Workspace Setup/Settings. Paste the repository's link, enter your Git credentials, and click Setup Remote Workspace. You can now see the commit history on the Remote Workspace tab. Because this is a fresh workspace, the list is empty. If you click the Show Local Unsynced Changes, MCreator will list local changes. To commit them, press Sync. Describe your changes in a short note and click Create Commit and Sync. If the commit was successful, it will appear on the list shortly. You can also check the repository page to verify it. Thank you for watching the first part of the tutorial series. If the second part has already been uploaded at the time you are watching this, make sure to check that out too, as we'll familiarize yourselves with importing existing workspaces. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notifications, like for more content like this, and comment with suggestions down below. Stay tuned!